been a while. I know you're thinking the same, but I've been feeling like a moment can't go to waste. I let go of your name, girl. I figured that was it. I stopped playing your game, girl. Yeah, I thought I could quit. I'm all up in my head, I'm sorry for what.
Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Lightroom by Samuel. In this video we are going to make an unbreakable preset. But before we start, for you who are joining this channel for the first time, press the subscribe button first. Okay, let's get started. First, go to Lights. Adjust the exposure to plus 0.20. Contrast to minus 18. Highlights to minus 35. Shadows to plus 30. Whites to plus 6. And blacks to plus 27. If you're done, go to curve. Follow the instruction carefully. Start from the white curve. Then to the red curve. Next, green curve. And last, the blue curve.
I know you're thinking the same, but I've been feeling like a moment can't go to waste. I let go of your name, girl.
If you finished, click Done.
Figured that was it.
Then go to Color.
Playing your game, girl. Yeah, I thought I could quit.
Adjust the temperature to plus 4.
I'm sorry for what I did.
Tint to plus 10.
Have it unsaid.
Vibrance plus 41. And the saturation to minus 12. If you're done, go to Color Mix. Adjust the color as shown. But don't stick to it, adjust it with the photos you have, because the difference in brightness and basic color of your photos will be very influential.
can't get the same. But I've been feeling like a moment can't go to waste. I let go of your name, girl. I figured that was it. I stopped playing your game, girl. Yeah, I thought I could quit. I'm all up in my head, I'm sorry for what I did. Wish I could have it unsaid. Just make it right instead of treating me like I'm dead. Is it too late to
click Done. Next, go to Effect. Adjust the texture to +6. Clarity to +21. Dehaze to +37. Vignette to -33. Midpoint 32. Feather to +80. Roundness +40. And the highlights 4. Next, go to Details. Adjust the sharpening to 30. Noise reduction to 20. And the color noise reduction to 20. Last, go to Split Tone. Scale up the highlights and shadows as shown. And done. This is the before and after. Now, let's use this preset to our other photos. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next Adobe Lightroom tutorial. Bye.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.